Greetings YouTube, my name is Dex, or aka Guard Geek Gaming, and today we are continuing our beta save in Football Manager 23 with Nottingham Forest. Let's dive into it. Okay, so yesterday we left off 8th in the table, some bad form, 1-1 draw with Newcastle. Should have probably won that game. A 2-0 loss to Everton in the cup, and that doesn't really matter to me. A 6-0 rubbing to Chelsea, that was kind of on my fault. And then a 0-0 draw, which we probably should have won once again at Everton. No, against Everton. We were at home. B+. How does he compare to Jesse Lingard? 28. How much actually? Let's see if we can get the board. So the board seems like they're going to attempt to sign Buffal. Sofiane Buffal is now a Nottingham Forest player with 3 hours left in the transfer window. We got Buffal. Leroy Sané left Bayern Munich to go to Chelsea. Well, it's rumored. That would be a transfer. Can we register him? Cannot. Who can we take out? Got Wayne Hennessy. Register Buffal. So I think everyone is signed, registered that I need to. Sign him a number. And Buffal is now a Nottingham Forest player. Into that. Can do that. So, right. Should I start? Should I start Buffal? Then we'll start Nico Williams. So we got a back line of Henderson, Talafo. Got a back line of Talafo, Bade, Cook, and Williams in front of Dean Henderson. O'Brien, Koyate in the midfield. Buffal, Gibbs White, and Johnson making up, all behind Awani. Let's do this. They got War, Castagna, Evans. Not even gonna. Swanechu, Thomas, Ndidi, Tillmans, Dewsbury Hall, Albrighton, Barnes, and Vardy. Yeah, no one expects us to get a result, but let's go try and do an upset. Gibbs White picks it up, back to Bade, out to Buffal, and already at Castagna, driving, saved by Henderson. That's not impressive, Buffal, on your first touch. Johnson to take the kick and buries it. Nottingham Forest lead off a Brendan Johnson free kick. 1-0. And Talifut's going to get sent off, isn't he? Toffalo. Why? 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 One game I did not want. Nketiah, come on. I'll do that. Why did you have to get yourself sent off? No giveaway pin. Barnes to the back row, safe by Henderson. You can hold on to it. Without to take the corner, into the box, hit it away. Tillemans picks it up. And Lester can get us on the counter. Castagna, Tillemans. Back to Castagna. Back to Evans. Out to Castagna. Back to Tillemans. Gibbs White picks it up though. And it's tackled away by Tillemans. Back to Danny Ward. Sinetru. Dewsbury Hall. All the way looking long for Jamie Vardy, who puts it wide of Dean Henderson's goal. Thank God. 4 minutes after we scored, Palaho gets himself sent off. We just booted out. Tillemans picks it up. Evans to Tillemans. Albright. Back to Evans. Suinetru. All the way out to Thomas. Drives long. Barnes in the box. Saved by Henderson. If we win this game, it's all because of Henderson. Albright takes the kick. In the box. Johnson picks it up though and has no one to counter with. And we're doing fairly well for only having 10 men. Rest. And no one else get themselves sent off. Probably turn stay on feet. And we need over the top. Baron down go saved by Danny Ward. You gotta be burying that, please. I already did that. Oh no, I need individuals. There's Talahu. Don't look disheartened. You were not. Player reactions are not the best. I'm sorry, but if he got sent off, is coach supposed to accept it and be like, oh, you did your best? Getting sent off in the 15th minute is unacceptable. To take the kick into the box, and there's a penalty. Handball in the box. And there's a penalty awarded to Leicester. Vardy steps up and buries it. Every corner, it seems like. It's now 1-1 thanks to Jamie Vardy. You can come off for Surridge. I know that might be a Moretti can come off for Foiler. And that's kind of all the subs I want to make. Where is it? Tadaka. Up to Dewsbury Hall. Over the bar. And now it's the corner. Don't give away another penalty by a handball. Dewsbury Hall to whip it in. Headed away. But they still have it. Mindy. Shot saved. Tillemans picks it up. Cook boots it away. I'm happy. Mindy. Ambrosia. Head away. Foiler. Putting pressure on Ndidi. And back to Evans. All the way out to Baker. Drives to the inline to Dewsbury Hall, who crosses it in over the bar by Daka. No ring. Cook boots it away. Foiler on, or Angela on for Gibbs White. Saved, I think. Why does everything go against us in these games? Come on, guys. I mean, I'll take a 1-1 draw at the King of Power, especially after 15-minute red card. Which is unacceptable. I mean, it's still inexcusable. I don't want to talk about it. Next up is Palace away. So we're going with a counter-attacking system. Henderson in goal, Nketiah, McKenna, Boyle, and Arur in the back line. O'Brien and Foiler as the defensive midfielders. Buffal, Gibbs, White, Dennis behind Johnson. Let's try it again. See how bad we can. Gatti, Ward, Anderson, Gay, Mitchell, Mitrovic, Eze, Decore, Elise, Zaha, and Edouard. Fairly normal Palace side, if I were to say. Let's get underway. And Eze has an early free kick. Anderson heads on 1-0 in the 2nd minute. Come on. We shouldn't be losing to Palace. Goalkeeper. Gay. Do I need to go to a flat back 5? Cook, Kincaid, Dennis. Might have to do that. Looking for Johnson. He picks it up anyway. And it's foul. That's gotta be a card. Okay. It had to be a card. And that's game. Don't be mad at me. I'm not happy with... not going to that. Okay. Let's... no. We're going positive. Yes, you should be angry, so that means you should be playing better, right? You want to be back in the first team, don't you? Sanchez, Veltman, Dunk, Webster, March, Bolana, Calcedo, Max, McAllister, Gross, and Tressard. I'm just gonna walk away. I know former has been abysmal, but let's try it anyway. Give him a little bit of encouragement. How do you have a shot on target that is 0.00 xg? Like, how far away do you have to be? Gross gets picked off. Dennis, Johnson through Johnson, right to Sanchez's hand. Ready to take the corner. Dennis heads it onto the bar, back in, and no one can get there to get the re-delivery. Mangala. Williams drives up the line to Dennis. To Johnson. Johnson misses another opportunity. Williams. Lodi. Into the box. Off the bar once again. Yates trying to get it back in. Lalana kicks it and carries it. And Yates upends him. Yellow. I thought that was red for a second with how fast he pulled that card out. Look, we have a 1.13 XG. Brendan Johnson, bury your freaking chances next time. Like, what am I doing wrong? How do I get someone to score? Yates. Towards Johnson. Casado. Bodie. Lingard. Lowdy. Lingard. Across the box. Johnson cannot even score a tap-in. He's getting taken off. Blue Falcon, come on. Yates, you come out for Kayate. I think that's two changes I want to make right now. I'm gonna take Lingard off for Gibbs White. This is unacceptable. Go for it. I mean, I may have got us in trouble, but Veltman, well back. Tressard. Tressard over the bar. And that was probably the final highlight of the game. Yes, it was. I don't understand why they're mad when I'm just saying the truth. That we cannot continue to do that. And we cannot continue to have those amount of chances and not be burying them. inexcusable. We're trying something different today. We're doing a flat back 5. Floydie, Katie, Boyle, Cook, O'Rourke, O'Brien, and Longella sit in front of them, Foiler, and then Owen, and Johnson on a direct counter-attacking system. It might work, it might not work, I don't know, we're going to try it. But I think it's the best system we can play right now against West Ham United. NSA, Johnson, Zuma, Crespo, Emerson, Suchek, Rice, Bowen, Manzini, Fornals, and Sumeka. Let's go. So bad we can mess this up. They already had the first shot on target. Cook, looking long towards Johnson. Crespo heads it back to Fabianski. He boots it up. Cook picks it up. Over the top once again. Johnson rounds to keeper and can't score once again. Once again, Johnson cannot put the chance away. Wait, take the corner. Into the box. Headed up and away. Johnson gets it. And that's where the highlight ends. Emerson. Back to Rice. O'Brien picked it up, but Suchek picks it up and buries it top corner. I'll switch something. He should be the advance forward. They have bad XG. We have better. Johnson to take the free kick into Nketiah. Back to Johnson. He's fouled. Was it in the box or was it outside the box? It's outside the box. No, it was right there. The ball's any further back on the mat. It's right there. Waited to take the free kick. In the corner of at the edge of the box. And Nketiah heads it wide. Of course. Of course. I mean, we're not doing bad. I got it to Nketiah. Nketiah drives. Continues to drive. Lloydie. Nketiah. Back to Lloydie. O'Brien. O'Brien across the box. Awanini cannot get his feet right and it was blocked. I mean, we're having our chances. Nketiah. Take the free kick to O'Brien. O'Brien to Awanini. Awanini scores, but was he onside? Please tell me he was onside. He really needs this goal. Oh, thank God we finally have a goal. Finally, we have a goal. Johnson can come off for Buffalo. Or can come off for Nico Williams. EQ2 can switch, and McKenna can come on. I think that's the only changes I really want to make right now. Come on, one more goal. We can do it. Manzini to deliver the free kick. Antonio heads it in at the back post. 2-1 West Ham United. Bring Dennis on. I can't fault him for that. That was a better performance than we've been doing. I'm still mad at Johnson. Johnson should be putting those chances away, but he never, ever, ever puts those chances away. And it's starting to tick me off. So, Henderson and Go, backline of Lloydie and Kitty, Boyle, Cook, and Williams. O'Brien and Coyote sit in front of him. Broiler behind Bufal and Awanini. So they have Allison and Go, Lazari, Matip, Gomez, Semekas, Henderson, Elliott, and Nabikeda, Salah, Diaz, and Bobby Firmino. It looks like they either sold Van Dijk or he is out injured. So I did not see him out on the bench. Or he's not. And he's not anywhere near. It wasn't on the lineup or on the bench, so. Elliott to take the corner, into the box. Henderson, Matip gets poked away. And we clear it. Salah retrieves it. And that's where we end the highlight. Cook hits it. Lloydie. Go ahead to Matip. Elliott. Salah. Third of Firmino. Dinks Henderson. And it is already 1-0. And it's 18 minutes in. That's not too bad. Now, don't let the head fall. And we'll be fine. Hey, we had a shot on target. Yay! So I like the small victories. Elliott with a corner. Elliott delivers it in. Firmino heads it back. Williams can't get there. Broiler clears it. Oh, and then he cannot get there in front of Salah. Lazari. Matip. All the way out right to Smikas. Up the line to Luis Diaz. Diaz all the way across to Lazari. Back to Elliott. Elliott hits the base of the post. Williams grabs it and clears. Goal kick to Gomez. Up to Smikas. Drives up the line. Looks inside to Henderson. To Elliott. To Nketiah. Not Nketiah. Keita. Who puts it wide. Maybe we have two shots. Nketiah. Looking long into the box. Can't find anyone. Bobby Firmino has it clear. Only has Paris Cook. Cook to Williams. Williams spins. Cook. Awanini. Into the box. Broiler can't get his shot off. Boyle heads it up. Coyote. Cook. Looking for Bufal and only for Lazari. Who puts it up to Keita. Lazari again. Lloydie's pressuring. Back to Matip. Back to Lazari. I won't put pressure on him. Don't let him drive so easily. Across the box. Henderson misses it and Firmino gets a cap in. I can't fault anyone, but I can't. Elliott with a free kick. Over everyone's head. Headed out. Matip picks it up. Oh, and then he comes back. Does really well. O'Brien loses out to Salah. Sorry. Elliott. Matip. Henderson. Sorry. Elliott. Looking long. Henderson comes out. Cleans it up. Let's just go and boot it. Boots it up. Can't find anyone. O'Brien. Can't find anyone once again. Bufal. Loses out. And that is abysmal goalkeeping by Dean Henderson. You should be saving that. He was a good 20 yards out. 25 yards out. And you just let it roll on past you. The tamest shot I've ever seen. We're bringing McKenna on. We're talking to Brendan Johnson. Since no one else, and then we're playing Gibbs White on. I think that's really the lineup I want to play. I mean, I expected nothing less than a defeat, but I'm happy it's only 3-0. It might still change because they got 10 minutes plus stoppage time. Sorry, up the line to Firmino. I think it was Firmino. Yeah, Firmino. Johnson tries to tackle it away, can't get it away. To Milner, to Jones, to Milner. All the way out to Smikas. Williams picks it off though. Williams drives up the line. Just boot it at that point. Stop trying to run with it. You're on a counter attack. Matip. Sorry. Jota. Back to Lazari. Inside to Milner. Back to Matip. Back to Lazari. Johnson picks it up. He's going to do something productive. Oh, and then he gets a goal. It's not going to change much, but we finally got a goal. Again. Elliott to deliver the corner. Won't take a sweet time. Time wasting. Over the bar by Jota. Jones into the middle to Elliott. Elliott over the top to Jota. Back to Lazari. Back to Jones. Back to Milner. Who takes a shot from outside the box and it goes well wide and high. We were the underdogs and are now playing. Okay, I'm not gonna say anything else. I ruined that. Let's get into it. So we're doing a 5-2-3. So Henderson and goal, McKenna and Kelly at Worrell in front of them. Lloydie and Aurora at their wingbacks. Foiler and Mangello is in front of them. Lingard, Dennis, and Johnson. Let's get into it. If Johnson misses one chance, he's coming off the pit. I'm tired of him. Cancel. There we go. I didn't even look at their lineup. That's Tottenham's lineup. Let's see. Tottenham. Lloris, Romero, Dyer, Aget, Royal, Bentancur, Hoiberg, Perisic, Kulusevski, Richarlison, and Kane. Let's get into it. Dyer. To Bentancur. To Royal. Royal drives into the box. Saved by Henderson. I don't know how much you knew about it, but he saved it. Hoiberg. To take the corner. Delivers it in. Henderson saves. Okay. Now, Van Dijk is still at Liverpool. He just wasn't playing that game, apparently. Hoiberg to take the free kick. Somehow headed in. VAR is checking it. And it's awarded. So they were suspecting Kane was offside. I mean, no, he wasn't. I don't see how he would have been offside. What is even Tottenham's lineup? Same tactic as me, so. Hoiberg. Romero heads it wide. Ready to McKenna. Looking long. Can't find anyone, only but Dyer. Bentancur. Hoiberg. Dyer. Bentancur. Dyer. Hoiberg. Charleston. Kulusevski. Tackled away. Ready. McKenna. Lingard to Johnson. Tackled away. Tackled away by Foiler. Oh, it's communications. Johnson puts it away. I don't know what happened there. Miscommunication between Reese and his defender. Foiler pounced on it, passed it over to Johnson, puts it away. 1-0. 1-all. Johnson missed that, I would have been mad. Perisic to Richarlison, back to Perisic. Had it cleared away. I think Royale's going to beat Lingard there. Let's continue going. I think we can get a result. Not if we give away a free kick right here. Hoiberg puts it in the top corner. Why do we continue to give away free kicks when we don't have get stuck in turned on? Like, you turn get stuck in off and they still give away countless free kicks. I mean, I know that happens IRL, but it just feels like there's constantly free kicks. Regardless of if you have stuck in or not. You have to stay on feet. Oh, I still had it turned on. Oops. I don't like not having that as part. I think it just feels weird. Karate. Nika. Those are the subs for right now. Let's go for it. Go for it. Oh, offside. Wait. How was he offside? I don't understand how he was offside, but okay. I thought it was well clear in our half. So we're doing Henderson and goal, Woody, Nketiah, Williams, Foiler, O'Brien, Koyate, Buffel, Johnson, and Awanini. So we got Jose, Coleman, Collins, Kilman, Smedo, Noise, Matinho, Neves, Gudez, Gamera, Jimenez, and Diego Costa. Let's get into this. And they already have the first highlight. Cross over the bar. Come on. Correte. Foiler. Dancing on the edge of the area. Crosses it. Odie. On to Amanini. Someone was offside apparently. Buffal was offside. Coleman. Ruben Neves. Oh my god. You kidding me? Oh, let me go 2-foot this person. Why not let me go 2-foot a person? With Jesse Lingard. I know he's not a suitable replacement, but it's gonna have to do. I turned that off. Please stop diving in. very, very annoyed with where is he? Where is he? Where is he? You two-footed man. I'll be happy if we get anything out of this result. Continue to take the corner, into the box, head it up and over the bar. At this point, I'll take anything. Hit can come off, could come in. You can come off for Bade. Johnson can come off for Gibbs White. Ruben Neves with the free kick. Saved by Henderson. Corner. Coutinho into the box, headed away, picked up by Coleman, back to Coutinho, tackled away. Or apparently a penalty. Not a penalty. At what point did he make contact with the player before ball? Ruben Neves gives Wolves the 1-0 lead in the 91st minute off a dubious penalty. Of course. Of course. Of course. Do it. No, 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 no. We're not getting stuck in. That's how we get people sent off. So, we're going back to this tactic again. Henderson in goal, McKenna, Bade, Worrell, Buffalo, Mangala, Yates, Zanotti, Buffal, Dennis, and Taylor. Let's see if this team can do something that no other team can apparently freaking do. Martinez, Consa, Benek, Incarnate, Mings, Denier, Lucas Luis, Karma, Bailey, Coutinho, Ings. Let's see if we can win a game? For once? Dang. Taylor could have brought that down. Luis. Decanza. Oh my god. Buffal picks it up. McKenna. Tataflo. Boots it on, and Taylor's not there because he's a deep line forward. That's why I don't like him. Not him, but they roll as a deep line forward. There goes Luis. Ings. Saved by Henderson. You know what? You know what? I need to find you. Turn you onto pressing on attack. So at least he probably stays up more. Into comes to corner. Headed away. Coutinho. Into the box. Crosses it. Bailey. Pinballs. But somehow makes his way out to Dennis. Coutinho. Worrell gets away. Can't find anyone. Mings. There's Luis. Decanza. Drives in. Headed away. Taylor picks it up. But gives it right back anyway. Mings. Karma. Up to Coutinho, who slips it past Henderson. Now we're checking if he was offside. I think he was on. Oh, he was off. Okay. I don't. That's gotta be a bug. Ooh, that's tight. That's really tight. Denier. Villa's just having their way with us today. Up to Coutinho, who finally buries it and gives Villa the 1-0 lead. Now you're watching that roll again. Hit it up. Somehow saved pinball around. I don't know what happened. Henderson kicks it long. Sonati gives it away once again. He cannot hold the freaking ball up. Henderson saves and gathers. Who kicks it long to find absolutely no one, because none of our players want to be on attack. None of our players actually want to be up the field. Kanza, Luis. Once again, bar, down, not across the line. Tyro Mings gives him a second off the corner. May not look the greatest right now. Top flow, McKenna. Mings picks it up. They're coming right back at us with Coutinho. He drives into the box, and Sonati fouls him and gives away a penalty. We're on key highlights. We are on key highlights. There was no reason to consult VAR. It was a penalty. Coutinho steps up to make it 3. But it was saved by Henderson. Well, that's one good thing he's done for the past few games. Digne across the box. Bailey heads over. Consulting VAR once again to see if he was offside. But it was quickly allowed because he was onside. I don't know what works and what doesn't. And Gibbs White on. We're switching it up a bit. Toffler to kick the free kick. Puts it in. McKenna heads over the bar. Continues to deliver the free kick. Head it over the bar. Again. Somebody picks it up. Gives it Yates. Mangala. Taylor. He was onside. He was well behind the last. Thank you. So now it's 3-1. But we have a kickoff highlight. Mings. Digne. Over the top. Looking for Ings. Top flip. To Mangala. To Bufal. Come on, Bufal. Do something productive. To Gibbs White. Gibbs White. Trying to find Taylor. Taylor gets it. Taylor makes it 3-2 in the 62nd minute. Oh, come on. Please do this. Please, for the love of God, do this. Please. If we pull this comeback off, that's the greatest thing ever. They have a throwing deep in our half. Bailey. Kanza. Tipped up and saved by Henderson. That's where the highlight wants to end. Come on. Corner. Hit it in and over the bar. Head it in. continue to drive this one in. Wings. Once again. Wide. Kobach come in. Jesse Lingard. Bring out Lanini in, and those are the final subs I'm making for this game. Come on. Come on. Now we can go for it. I mean, we fought to come back in the second half. I can't fault him for that. I can't fault him for that. It was a good valiant effort to fight back. So we have back four of Henderson, Toffolo, Nketiah, Boyle, and Aru. O'Brien, Furley, and Koyate in the midfield, with Lingard, Johnson supporting Awanini. Let's do this. Get this bread. I just want a W. Leno, TD, Got Robertson, Alanini, Reed, Wilson, Vieira, Willian, and Mitrovic. Sorry if I'm not the best at pronouncing names. Come on. Please get this win in front of our home fans. Nketiah. Long throw looking for Toffolo. Headed away. Headed back in though. Strike. Foiler with the strike and a half. Okay, more of that, please. And we immediately give away a free kick. Do I have stay on feet? I do have stay on feet. I mean, it does happen. Nketiah. Top flip. Looking over the top. I can't find anything. Yeah. Back to Leno. Who looks long. That should be ours. Nketiah. To Henderson. To Boyle. To Koyate. Looking for Johnson, who was just ball watching. Wilson. Andreas. All the way across to TT. Somehow tackled away, deflected up. Forler can't get the read. And it remains 1-0. Good. If this result holds, we will move out of the relegation zone. If and only if this result holds. Willian. Nketiah. Lingard to Johnson. Johnson. Driving out wide. Looking past man. Picked off, but Forler picks it up. Lingard into the box. Lingard scores. It's our first time scoring 2 goals since the Southampton game. Jesse Lingard gives us a 2-goal lead. Let's go. I mean, they've had the better chances. But A, we're controlling the possession, and B, we have the 2 goals. And they really haven't had the better chances. Their XG is higher. 2 shots, 2 goals. Pretty good return rate. Johnson. Into the box. Over the bar. And if this result holds, we will be confirmed, even if West Ham win out of the relegation zone. Subtime. Front view fell on. Continue to hit him run go around. We'll switch those two. Toffolo can come up and Kitty can shift out there. Break. Body off. On. And I think these are the only 2 subs I really want to make. Huffy. Forler picks it up. Lingard. Drives. Past the man. Awanini. Lingard. Right at Leno. Finally, a victory. 9 games unbeaten. Or not unbeaten. 9-game winless streak finally gets snapped by a 2-0 victory against Fulham. Yes, that was a great result for us. And with that concludes our save today, and that will conclude our episode for YouTube. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below on who you would like me to attempt to sign in the next window. And if you want to see this recorded live, follow the link in the description to my Twitch page and drop a follow there too. Streaming tomorrow at probably about 9:30 Eastern Standard Time in the morning. So hope to see you guys there. Have a great day. Peace.